What's going on, guys? Tyler here, helping you plan big and hustle hard. Guys, today we're talking about something that is going to give you opportunities and shift your mindset on how you think of opportunities to make passive money, especially online. And let's go ahead and just jump right into this. Alright guys, so as always, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and be sure and subscribe because I'm trying to drop new content daily here on my channel right now. And also, if you want to drop a comment and let us know what you're doing to create opportunities for passive income. And let's go ahead and get started. So guys, this is a kind of like a theory or a different, analogy that I came up with that has really helped me think more about how I can create more opportunities to make passive income, specifically for me online. And this has just kind of changed my whole mindset of how I'm working to build towards the future. So back when I was younger, I used to do a lot of fishing with my uncle, and we would always, go out there either in a boat or on the shore. We cast out our line and reel it in because we were using lures, which have, little shiny things on them that spin and attract the fish's attention. But when the line is just sitting there, they don't really do anything. So we're constantly reeling them in. However, there is this other style of fishing, which I didn't do a lot of, but I did enjoy when we did it. I would go off the shore and cast out, and it would be some kind of bait, either like a worm or some kind of power bait on the end of this hook. And there's also attached a little bobber, and this bobber sits in the water with the bait down below. And when a fish pulls on it, the bobber drops, and you feel the tug on your line, and you pull it in or reel it in. The difference is you're not constantly reeling in because you don't have anything that needs to attract the fish's attention. You literally just cast it out there, let it sit. And a lot of people, if you've seen fishermen or anything like that, people that fish from the shore, they tend to find like a Y stick and just set their rod right up on the stick. And so it just sits there and it just sits there and waits, essentially, with the bait in the water. So that's kind of how I want to shift your mindset today, is try and help you see how you can create opportunities for potential passive income, okay? So let's go ahead and just think of that example with the Y stick and the pole just sitting there with the bait out in the water, okay? All right, guys, so depending on how well you can see this, I've drawn here a pond here and one fishing pole sitting here on a Y stick in the water. So now what I like to think of is I like to think of that fishing pole as a money-making opportunity, such as putting out a YouTube video. Okay, so we put out a YouTube video. In the description, we have a link to an affiliate product, which will allow us to produce some income. Okay, so we have one fishing pole in the pond. And the good thing is we can now leave. We don't have to monitor it. We don't have to put in more work. We don't really have to do anything about it. We can just walk away and just watch it, and just check and see, is there a fish tugging? Did we get a bite? Did we make a sale? Everything like that. So that's pretty much it. The next thing we want to do is we want another fishing pole. Now, if you're a fisherman at this pond, what are the chances that you're going to catch a fish off of, one pole? Okay, it might be, X amount percentage. What about if you double it? Then you have double the chance. What if you triple it? What if you have 5 poles? What if you have 10 poles? What are the chances you're going to catch a fish with 10 poles? And maybe, some of them are the same bait, just in different places. Maybe some of them are completely different bait. Okay, so what if we put out another YouTube video? So we have now another fishing pole in the pond. What if we put out another YouTube video? What if we have a different affiliate offer and we put out another YouTube video? Okay, what if we make an email series? We set up an opt-in page and we set it up to, something that's driving traffic, maybe an Instagram page, and we just post about that. And we say, hey, go check out the link in our bio and go opt into our email list with a whole automated email sequence that sells them on a different product or a different affiliate offer or sends them to a different funnel, okay? So we have another poll. We have that email sequence. When I realized this, when I really started to think about this differently, I realized there's no maintenance on these polls. There's very, very little. And if you think of, you know, YouTube videos that grow organically over time, if you think of, you know, email sequences that can just simply be pushed off of your social media platforms, if you think of, you know, even like anything like blog posts, anything that, you know, is what I call evergreen, what is called evergreen, meaning that it's not going to run out of, you know, it's not going to go out of style, it's not going to, you know, run out of time. Things that are just going to be relevant for a long time and that give you the opportunity to make money, that's amazing. You can produce so many opportunities for yourself and just set yourself up to win. Maybe you might not know where every time, but you have all these other options. So for example, I have an affiliate product that I offer that is consistently bringing me monthly income just because I set up a fishing pole once. It sends out automated messages, everything like that, and I consistently get affiliate income off of it. Last night I made a pretty big affiliate sale, and that just came from one YouTube video. So guys, just set up these different fishing poles in your life. Set up these fishing poles that are going to allow you to have opportunities to make more money and passively. If you set these up, I mean, imagine if my YouTube videos stayed relevant for the next 3 years or the next 5 years or the next 10 years. I mean, imagine if my email sequence still has value in 5 to 10 years. I mean, these are opportunities for you to seriously capitalize on passive income and not be spending any time on it. So I highly encourage you guys to shift your mindset from thinking of, you know, what can I do right now to make money right this minute? And there are times when you have to do that, especially when you're getting started up. You have to do that. You have to set up, you know, do things that make you money now. But think about long term as well. Think about what can I do today to create a potential passive income stream. And I think if you do that, honestly, I think your mind will be expanded and you'll realize that there are some very valuable options out there. I believe YouTube is definitely one of those. I believe blogging could definitely be one of those, especially if you're getting free traffic from SEO, like YouTube, exactly. Even getting free traffic from SEO. I believe there's tons of different options out there. So shift your mindset, start looking for those options, and guys, just focus on producing passive income because there's nothing better. I woke up this morning, there's nothing better than making money while you sleep. Honestly, as far as income goes, there is no better way to make money than literally while you're sleeping. So guys, set yourself up to win. I believe it was Thomas Jefferson said, the harder I work, the luckier I find I am. I think it's something like that. The harder I work, the luckier I find I am. Guys, just work hard now, set up these fishing poles, and you'll probably get lucky very soon with all your passive income fishing poles in the pond. It's Tyler helping you plan big and hustle hard. Be sure and subscribe. Take care.